If you're into everyday carry, a good multi-tool isn't just a gadget, it's insurance. In 2026, multi-tools are stronger, smarter, and more compact than ever. Some are built like tanks for a heavy-duty use, and others are small enough to disappear in your pocket. I've picked 5 multi-tools that stand out for real-world EDC performance. When people think multi-tool, they usually think Leatherman, and for good reason. The build quality feels solid and dependable the moment you hold it. Stainless steel construction, tight tolerances, and tools that lock securely into place give you confidence when using it for actual work. The pliers are strong, the knife blade is sharp, and the included drivers, cutters, and tools feel designed for real tasks rather than just filling space. It's the kind of multi-tool you can carry daily and genuinely rely on for years. If you want a proven, heavy-duty EDC multi-tool that handles serious tasks without hesitation, check the link below and see if this classic fits your carry style. This version adds convenience to durability. The quick release design makes it easier to attach or detach from belts, bags, or key setups without struggling. It still carries Leatherman's solid build quality and reliable tool performance, but with faster accessibility. That matters when you're using it multiple times throughout the day. The tools deploy smoothly and everything feels purpose-built. It's ideal for people who want professional-grade strength with easier carry management. If you want trusted durability with quicker access, check the link below and see if the quick release model suits your routine. The SOG PowerPint Mini is impressive because of how much it packs into such a compact frame. It's small enough to truly qualify as everyday pocket carry, yet it still includes pliers, screwdrivers, blades, and multiple practical tools. The compound leverage system gives the pliers extra gripping strength, which is surprising for something this size. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to carry without feeling bulky. For people who want capability without carrying a large multi-tool, this one hits a sweet spot. If compact size with strong functionality matters to you, check the link below and see if the PowerPint Mini is right for your pocket. The Nextool Mini 9-in-1 is designed for simplicity and portability. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to slip into a pocket, glove compartment, or backpack. The tools included are practical for everyday fixes: small screwdrivers, cutters, pliers, and basic utility functions. It's not built for extreme heavy-duty work, but for daily minor adjustments and quick repairs, it's very capable. The size makes it approachable for casual EDC users who don't want something bulky. If you're looking for an affordable compact multi-tool for light everyday tasks, check the link below and see if this one fits your needs. The Weimax W880-9 stands out for combining practicality with portability. It offers essential tools in a compact, manageable form factor that doesn't feel overwhelming. The build feels sturdy enough for routine use, and the included tools cover basic EDC needs like tightening screws, small adjustments, and cutting tasks. It's ideal for people who want something functional without investing in a high-end professional tool. For basic everyday utility at a reasonable price, this multi-tool gets the job done. If you want a simple, straightforward multi-tool that covers the essentials, check the link below and see if it fits your daily carry setup. The best multi-tool for EDC isn't necessarily the biggest or the most expensive. It's the one you'll actually carry every day. Whether you need heavy-duty reliability, compact portability, or simple everyday functionality, there's an option here that fits your lifestyle. If this breakdown helped you choose your next EDC tool, subscribe for more practical gear reviews and check the links in the description for updated pricing before you add one to your carry.